If you're wondering if you can use a SIM card on iPhone 16e or if it has a SIM card slot, and then the answer is partially yes, but in fact it actually depends on the region because for example, in United States, most of the time, if not in every case, you will get the iPhone 16e without the SIM card slot. So you can only use eSIMs, 2 of them at the same time, and 8 in total. So keep that in mind. If you are in China, for example, if you buy an iPhone 16e from China's market, then you will get 2 SIM card slots. So you have dual SIM, and anywhere else in the world, so Europe, etc., you will get the SIM tray. You will find the SIM card slot over here. You can open it with the SIM tool, and you will have 1 SIM card slot. And it looks like this. There we go. Over here, I already have my SIM card inserted, but without it, it looks like this. And we have only 1 SIM slot in this case. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.